Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 10th September 2024. Krodhi Nama Sanvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsha Rudo, Avani Masam, Simha Masam, Shukla Baksham, up to 7 p.m. Saptami, then Ashtami. Bhaumavasaram today, Tuesday, up to 5:12 p.m. Anusham, then Ketai Nakshatram, Rahualam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Guliyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Today's good time 7 to 10:30 a.m., then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 9 o'clock Meena Rashi, then Mesharashi.